Dear children, today we will start with few more questions of exercise 13.1. This is question number 7. And in this question, you are given that this is a tent, cylindrical tent, and it is surmounted by a conical roof. And both of them, they are made up of canvas, as you have often seen when you have visited some gathering in your family. So it is Indian marriages, you might have seen that this is of canvas and the roof is also conical in shape and is of canvas. So he wants us to find out the canvas required. So we need to think where we have used the canvas. So canvas is used here in the curved surface area. Canvas is used in the curved surface area of the cylinder. So wherever you have used canvas, that area should be added into uh, to find the total canvas required. So canvas required is equal to curved surface area of the cylinder plus curved surface area of the cone. Curved surface area of the cylinder, you should know all the formula. You should be perfect in remembering the formula. Children, this is the first and the foremost requirement of this chapter. So the curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi RH, and whereas the curved surface area of this cone is pi RL. Now see what is given to us in the question. We are given that the cylindrical part is of height 2.1 meter. It is given in the question. And the diameter of both, its diameter of both. Why? Because cone is attached to the cylinder. So both will be attached. That means both have same diameter 4 meter. Therefore radii of both is also same, that is 2 meter. And the slant height of this cone is given equal to 2.8 meter. So everything is given to us. Simply we have to put in the value. So if I'll take what I can take common, pi and r is here in this term also, pi and r is here in this term also, so I can take pi r common. Now I'm left with 2h plus l. Let's fill the values. So pi is 22 by 7, r radius is given to, height is given 2.1, and this is twice of height, so you will multiply it by 2 and therefore it is 4.2, and the slant height is 2.8. So when you add them up, it will be 7 units. So 22 into 2 outside, and from the bracket you are getting 7. So 7 and 7 will be cancelled, and therefore the total canvas required to make this tent is 44 meter square. Okay, now he wants us to find out the cost of this canvas. If the canvas is at the rate of, is available at the rate of 500 rupees per meter, 500 rupees per meter. So you want to find out the cost of the canvas, that is canvas required multiplied by cost per unit. So per unit cost means one cost of 1 unit. 1 meter square is available for 500. So 44 meter square will be available for 44 multiplied by 500. That will be 22,000 rupees. So simple question. I hope you are able to understand it. Now let's move to the next question, and in this question you are given that you have a cylindrical wooden block and you have scooped out one hemisphere from here and one hemisphere from the bottom, one hemisphere from the top and one hemisphere from the bottom. But from outside it looks like cylinder only, but when you peep inside you will find that this is hemispherical in shape from the top as well as from the bottom. So that means the total surface area. What is the total surface area of this solid? So if you want to find out the total surface area of the solid, that means you have to consider how many surfaces are you able to touch. So from outside, if you will touch, you are able to touch the curved surface area of this cylinder, curved surface area of the cylinder. But if you will touch inside, you are able to touch the curved surface area of hemispherical bowl on the top and curved surface area of the hemispherical bowl attached at the bottom. So that means the total surface area of this solid is equal to curved surface area of the cylinder plus 2 times, because we have two hemisphere, so 2 times the curved surface area of the hemisphere. Let's write down the formula. Curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r h, and the curved surface area of the hemisphere is 2 pi r square. 2 and this 2 will get multiplied, it will be 4 pi r square. Now see what you can take common. Always take the common first and then start putting the values. It will definitely simplify your calculations. So this is 2 pi r, you will take common, then this is h, then this is 2r. 1 2 you have taken common, you are left with 2 and 1 r. So now let's put the values. This is 2, pi is 22 by 7, r is given 7 by 2, and the height of the cylinder is given 10, so here we will write 10. Our radius is given 3.5, we can convert it into fraction, that is 7 by 2, so twice of 7 by 2, therefore this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. The total of the two is 17, and outside you are able to cancel everything, you're left with only 22. Multiply and get the answer, 374 centimeters square. So if you are able to understand the concept of finding the total surface area, you must be enjoying it. Don't go on the word and blindly put the formula of total surface area. Always consider the surfaces that you are able to touch if the solid is in front of you. So, children, I hope you are able to understand. That's all for today.